Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, rear fog light, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights, tachometer,